Hello guys, and welcome to another quick tutorial video. And in this short tutorial video, I'm going to be showing you how you can simply convert your Bitcoin into cash. So for this video, we're going to be working with a centralized exchange, and the centralized exchange I'm going to be working with is the OKX mobile app. So all you need to do is simply head over to the OKX mobile app, open it up, make sure you're on the pro mode, that's the professional setting. And once you're there, all you need to do is simply head over to the assets menu, which is at the bottom right corner of the screen. So once at the assets menu, all you need to do now is you'd be dropped at the overview, where you simply scroll to your funding and have a look at your tokens. As you can see, we've got some Bitcoin here. You can check your funding if your Bitcoin is also there. So now, in order to convert your Bitcoin into cash, all you need to do now is simply tap on the icon at the top left corner of the screen and simply click on this convert option here. And now we're going to be converting our Bitcoin into some of the USDT. So select USDT, click on max for the Bitcoin, click on convert. Now, once you've simply converted your Bitcoin, all you need to do in order to cash it out is simply head over to the P2P option, which is at the icon again, which is at the top left corner of the screen. Click on that icon, select the P2P trading option, which is just here. And once you've selected P2P, the drop down that says USDT, select USDT, seeing as that's the cryptocurrency asset we currently have. And make sure you're on the sell menu, which is just here. You can do that by simply clicking on the sell. Look for a trader who has this star icon by their name and simply click on the sell option, which is just here. Select sell, and now you can sell your cryptocurrency asset. But in order to do any of that, you're going to need an account on OKX. And by simply using our link, which is going to be in the description of this video, you stand a chance to claim $10,000 worth of trading bonuses and welcome gifts when you register and verify your account using our link. So guys, that's how you can simply convert your Bitcoin into cash. Do comment down below if you've got any questions and you'll be given an answer. Thank you.